Hey vlog! Hey, what's up guys? It's Nash.
It's Nish.
And welcome to the episode of Nash and Nish Vlogs.
If you're new to our channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button to get notified every single time we upload a new vlog.
We're very, very excited today because we are going on a special trip. It's our first time in this new country. Where are we going?
Japan!
Hi guys, so it's currently 2:20 a.m. and we are eating at Kenny Rogers Roasters because it's the only one that's open.
Looks like we're finally on our merry way after a gajillion hours.
We just got here.
Narita, Tokyo.
First purchase, water. Hey guys, so it's our first meal. Well, it's a snack because we're waiting for our van. So I got something from the convenience store and then they all got Starbucks.
Please select the desired charge amount. Please insert money or credit card. Now under process. Thank you. Please take everything with you.
Sobrang lamig! Hindi ginawa ko.
Okay guys, we booked our van via Klook. It's 6,400 pesos via Klook. So we're here. We're at the hotel and we are getting our stuff. Woo!
It's so cold!
Thank you so much, Tomoyo.
We are in our hotel area. Okay, akit ka muna para makapunta ka sa reception. So, tingnan natin.
These are the freebies. So we just got inside our room.
Yeah.
And this is how it looks like.
So, this is the entrance.
Room tour.
This is the entrance. That's the door.
Yes, and
Put
you have
the
to
key card.
remove your shoes.
Yeah, and true
Yeah,
Japanese
shoes there.
fashion.
And then here is the CR. Chanan!
Your throne.
Your throne. We have this cute bathtub. And the bed.
It's on the floor.
The mattress is on the
It's
floor.
my first time experiencing something like this. This is the first time for everything.
Indeed. Parang the aircon's not working.
I haven't turned it on.
I did.
Let's open this
Yes,
para we
let's
can
turn it.
shine some light.
Yes, let's open it.
Yan. Baka naman the view is amazing.
Okay, I think.
And it kind
Wow!
of is.
This is the view.
Hey Ginza! What's up?
What's up,
Japan?
Ginza?
And they also come with chargers already.
Oh, that's
So,
good.
Ayun, pwede pang iPhone,
I
merong
need to
USB-C
charge.
if you need to MacBook.
So let's look. We have here the Ginza mirror.
Wow.
And then here we have bathrobes.
PJs.
Or pajamas, batis. Slippers.
Medyo madilim lang.
And other slippers there.
Oh, it's a drawer. It's a cabinet.
It's tea. What is this? Tea. Hotel Gracery blended coffee. And
Kettle.
thermos. Amazing!
Ref. Ang cute ng ref.
Yes, we have a ref
Smallest
too.
ref I've seen. It's cute.
Slay. That's all, guys.
Japanese toilet.
Toothbrushes. And soap. Yeah, and then shampoo.
Toiletries pa.
It's complete, guys. By the way, guys, we forgot to tell you, but the Hotel Gracery Ginza is so nice because they upgraded us to this, like, quality bedroom. Like, it's a better bedroom, they said, than the one that we booked. And this one's always usually sold out. It's just so happened that today it's available. So they upgraded us for free. We're super excited to go out, walk around. We're just freshening up and all. But yeah, like, if you need airport transfers, like, I've talked to so many people on Japan Travels on Facebook, and they're all super expensive. Klook offered it for 6,400 from Narita to our hotel, Hotel Gracery Ginza. And yeah, that's the cheapest. And then we got an Alphard pa, which is like really nice and spacious. And we have 4 big luggages and 4 carry-on. So 8 luggages in total, and it all fit at the back of the Alphard. So really good. I truly recommend booking it via Klook. And yeah, I think you'll be able to save more versus like the people that you see on Japan Travels on Facebook.
So, we're now off to go explore the other sites that are to be seen here in Ginza. Then we will have our Dora the Explorer moment. Formal exploration time. We are in the streets near our hotel. It's full of designer stuff. Plus, the gigantic Uniqlo is right there. So, very convenient.
Yes. So very convenient.
Entering now.
Okay.
Here's our reusable pile, which we got from our hotel. Apparently, that's the culture here. Puro designer stores dito, pero sa totoo lang, ang hinahanap ko ay 7. Ang hinahanap ko ay 7-Eleven para makakain ako ng snacks.
Beauty, Dior.
Hi, sister. We are in
at
Atmos.
Atmos in Ginza.
For all you shoe fanatics.
This is the Muji here in Ginza, and we're going inside. Yes. They have an ice cream cafe. That's Uniqlo. Daiso. And this is Muji.
Let's go to the diner.
Muji Diner? Yes. $17 onwards, steak meal, dessert, and drinks.
Plastic.
Hindi tayo bumili ng ano. Soup vegetable with okra. Go for English. You have your own bag. No. Hindi niyo sa France. This is my dream when I was a kid. Opa tayo. 1,000 na agad. yen. Ma'am. Sakto ka. Pero may sukli
You have a
tayo.
membership card?
Cash in.
Wait lang.
Oh my god, it's so fun!
I'm gonna go to the stationery area and the other stuff that Muji in the Philippines is known for. And I have 10 minutes.
So guys, it's currently, what time is it?
Wow! Ay, alika na! Ikakasakit. Baka unang araw pa lang.
When in Rome. Mommy! Stay here. Are you going inside? We're at the Uniqlo 12 floors. Is it 12 floors?
Yeah, 12 floors.
12 floors.
We're looking at the catalog of embroidered pieces. They're so cute, in Japan theme. Meron pang sports. It's 700 yen with embroidery.
We are walking towards the hotel once again because it's so cold and we will have to eat dinner. So we're going to...
I want to do a 1v1 with the wind right now. I lose, but you know, I tried.
We're going to
Sarah!
Ginza Lion. How about you? What can you say?
It's so cold here.
I like it.
But the place is so nice, especially with all the lights.
Yes. Hey, what's up guys? So it's the first day here. It's our first day here in Ginza. And guess what? Napadpad kami sa Muji. And
Tokyo if you didn't go to Muji.
yes, so we went to Muji and I'm not super into stationery or whatsoever. So I was so happy that they have like a bakery and then parang a mini grocery. So I really love that part. So I went shopping for some stuff. And here I have the receipt. But they're all in Japanese. They're all in Japanese. So I don't know which one is which and how much it is. But I spent 2,089 yen. So okay, the first one is this one, strawberry pie. Strawberry pie. Wala lang kasi feel ko marami siya and sulit. And then next would be melon scone because I really love melons. So, and then I also got the caramel popcorn. So I also love popcorn. And then since it's the season for, you know, cherry blossoms and sakura, I got
wanted to
Sakura
get that so
marshmallows. I
bad.
got
This is
Sakura
390.
marshmallows.
As far as I remember, that's 390.
This is 390. So this is 390.
So, mahal siya.
Yen.
Kaya hindi ko siya...
Last but not the least would be teas. How about you, Nash?
I bought something. This is a Sakura roll cake. Ayan, no, it looks like that. Masarap siya. Parang siyang, how would you describe it? I would say like strawberry-ish.
Strawberry chiffon cake.
Yeah, strawberry chiffon cake. Yeah, perfect.
This is what saved us from our almost passing out moment a while ago because we kept walking. And wala kaming mahanap
Kasi
na food.
here in Japan, the stores close at 8 p.m. So, crunch time talaga kasi late na kami nakarating.
Yeah, so parang muna namin
Suck it up
shopping,
na lang.
ganyan, before we ate. Chinero. But anyway, like what I really like about the Muji stuff is they're individually packed. So even if I open, let's say, the marshmallows, I can just open one piece kasi they're individually packed. So that's what I like about their packaging. It's very good. Okay, that's all. So that's my Muji food haul. And
The only thing I spent on today was one pack of haichu. 150 yen. And it was so labag na sa kalooban.
okay, see you guys. Bye!
Bye!